What's good? It is a Sunday for me. I hope you are doing great. I hope you're doing well. I hope you are feeling blessed. And if not, I hope you're taking care of yourself. I really do. It's the last week of school, people. You don't even know. I am so excited for these last 3 days of school. I mentioned it last time, but I love my kids. I enjoy them. I'm gonna miss them, but I am so excited for this break. I am so excited for this break. I said last time that I wanted to share a little reflection on the year. I don't think I'm gonna do that just yet. I will highlight that I do feel like the year has been successful. I absolutely love my third grade team. I think that we have done some phenomenal work. This was my first year doing PYP, being in a PYP school, and I love the work that we do with kids and how we allow kids to explore questions and wonderings and thinkings around the world. I really believe that we've done a phenomenal job with the units and the work that we've helped them with this year. So with that, I'll leave it for now. I will come back next week and do a little bit more of a reflection. Right now, I'm just super excited about the end of the year. I did have another marketing meeting, and I want to give a huge shout out to OGE because we had a marketing meeting where people within the marketing team and our editor talked to us about what they sent us a huge list of how some of the marketing things are going to happen, some of the options, some of the possibilities, etc. I don't know a lot about any of it, and even through the research that I've done through it, it's still a little bit vague to me. But OGE did such a phenomenal job asking questions that I hadn't really thought about, and which really made me think as well. So I want to shout her out because those questions aren't easy to ask, and I just appreciate her and her, I don't want to say vulnerability, but I want to say like her strength and just like being able to do that. That's what I like really truly inspired to be, is just like super honest and super open about asking the questions you're thinking about. And she really did that through the meeting. So okay, I appreciate you so much. I really, really do. Throughout the meeting, we talked a lot about just like what's gonna happen. We talked more about the tour, more about media, influencers, conferences, etc. All very, very exciting things, but some of it, again, I am a little unsure about because I just don't know. I really just don't know. They are working on activities in regards to things you could do with the book for students, which is really fun. But yeah, it is coming. It's not crunch time, but things are starting to ramp up a little bit, which is obviously very, very exciting. I have 3 days, and myself and Narina are going to Canada. We leave on Friday, and I am super pumped to be in Toronto. Then we go to Nova Scotia. I'm also like anxious, like I haven't been home in a little while, so just getting back into the routine. I often tend to just eat very, very poorly when I go home, and I think it's because I just can't contain myself, See all these things that you would normally eat, and I always tell myself, don't feel guilty, and I eat it, and then I forget about working out. I do a good job working out in the beginning, but then I really try I forget to work out during the end of the summer. So I guess my goal is, maybe I can use this as motivation, is to run every single day this summer at some point. Not necessarily exercise, but run every single day this summer. And not a certain amount, but just run every single day this summer. That's a goal, and maybe I'll start trying to track it through some sort of social media thing just to keep me accountable as well. But yeah, I'm super excited. What else do I need to share? There's some really cool things happening. I don't think I can share that. Top secret. Sorry. Yeah, that's it. I'm thinking of things I want to share, but I can't really share them. If you haven't signed up for the newsletter, sign up for the newsletter. Next week, you'll probably see a video of us transitioning from Vietnam, Hanoi to Toronto, which is going to be super fun, super exciting. And this environment will change. I don't know where I'm gonna record, but I will find a place to record and give you updates because we are getting close, people. Pre-orders. It's definitely not pre-orders. Pre-orders are open. Please do so. They matter. I appreciate you. Some of you have said Amazon isn't working. It's fine. Try not to order from Amazon anyway. Try to order from an indie-bound bookstore, independent bookstore, because again, Amazon doesn't really need your money. They're doing just fine, right? If you're not sure where that is, you can send me a DM. I will help you and send you in another direction. But yeah, things are moving. I appreciate you. Until next time, peace.